What's good, y'all? Today we're gonna get straight into this. I'm gonna be talking about why everybody hates Quan. Me personally, I think this is all thrown out of proportion, okay? I think it's way thrown out of proportion, and people got their you know what I'm saying, feelings hurt and things of that nature. But I will say it could have been handled differently, okay? So recently, almost a week ago or so, this dude Quan was streaming and having a PO box opening of things that his supporters sent him, right? And these things that supporters sent him were majority I can't fucking speak, nigga. Fuck. Were majority, huh? Nigga, am I laced or some shit? Were mainly pieces of clothing. If y'all don't know who Quan is, he's a car content creator, and of course he's a fashion, you could call him a fashion guru. It's your opinion at the end of the day. I personally think he can dress, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. But let's get into this, right? So like I said, in these PO box openers, his supporters would send him pieces of their clothing brand, and here's some things he had to say about it.
PO box opening, cool. I'm finna be 1000% honest. I'm not sugarcoating with y'all. If you can't take constructive criticism, don't send me. Simple as that. Simple as that. Everybody say, trying to become something in my life. I would love for you to show off my brand and would love for you to give it your honest opinion. Shit, say no more. You motherfucking ass. But I'm gonna keep it a brick with you. Like, I'm gonna keep it a whole butt with you. These are ass. It's like an old head jacket. I'm a young nigga. You got the vision, you just ain't got the plan. Or whatever the fuck it is. Something like that. Yeah, type shit. Let's see. I mean, it ain't terrible. Yeah, the pants ass. The top tough, but the pants ass.
So, let me know in the comments, how do you feel about the way he handled the situation? Me personally, it could have been handled a lot better, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it could have been handled a lot better. But due to the way it was handled, now people have this. It's literally this whole hate Quan trend is literally a trend. This whole hate Quan situation is a trend now, because everybody hating on him, everybody saying blah blah blah, he's copying other people's clothing brand, yet he has to say to his supporters, be original. It's a whole bunch of stuff people are saying, bro. Like, it's actually like crazy, bro. But I think what the supporters and other people need to take into consideration is, at the end of the day, I'm over here stuttering and shit crazy. At the end of the day, this is one person's opinion. This is one person's opinion, bro. Like, it's one person's opinion, okay? Like, I get it though. Like, I get it. This is if you send something to your most, like, to a content creator that you respect heavily and stuff, and then he ended up saying things and then throwing your clothes right across the room and shit like that, you'll feel tight. I'll feel a type of way. But at the end of the day, this is opinion. One thing I'll say that Quan brought up that was a good point that some of y'all niggas don't want to take into consideration is the fact that he's not gonna sugarcoat shit, bro. He's not gonna sugarcoat shit. He's gonna tell you what it is and how he feels about it, straight up. A lot of the content creators that you watch nowadays will sugarcoat things that are sent to them by the creator, because they don't want their support base to feel, you know what I'm saying, feel any type of way about his opinions. And that's why it brings me to this point about the way this whole situation was handled and how it could have been handled better, bro. Number one, bro. First thing he could have done that would have made this a lot better. Yeah, you could say you don't feel the clothing brand or you don't like it or whatever, but don't throw them niggas' clothes across the room, bro. Don't throw them niggas' clothes across the room. No, like, I ain't gonna lie, that was dead. Like, when he did that, I was like, damn, that was tight disrespectful. I ain't gonna lie. Like, he dead ass just and throwing it across the room and type shit. Like, that was dead crazy. That's what I'll say, that he could have handled that better, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna hate a nigga. I ain't gonna be promoting hate and all this type of stuff that all these other content creators are doing right now. But I get the point, bro. I get why people are mad. But like I said, it's his opinion. Now that bring this to my second point. If you're looking at creating clothes or anything like that, trust me, I am not a clothing brand like guru or anything like that. But at the end of the day, there's an op right there. But at the end of the day, it comes to you creating a piece of item or a brand that is unique. And that's like the hardest part about anything, because this doesn't have to only be about clothing. It could be about content creation. It stretches like crazy, bro.
Pause.
I'm telling y'all right now, it goes way further than just clothing, bro. So that's the hardest part. People gonna say you're copying this brand. People gonna say it looks a lot like this other brand and things of that nature. So that's the hardest part, and that's what not a lot of people aren't saying, but it's actually true. If you want to achieve something, right, of course you gotta start. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that has created anything at the beginning, bro, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm keeping a stack with y'all. Whatever they created first was terribly trash. Bro, it was garbage. Bro, did y'all hear some of y'all favorite artists' first song? I guarantee you that shit was ass. But guess what happened? After years of them working on their craft, they got better, and now they're your favorite artist, favorite content creator, whatever the case may be, bro. So for those that got their feelings hurt about, you know what I'm saying, Quan talking about your clothing brand is trash and things like that nature, just take the hard ass pause, by the way, pause on that. Take that tough pause, no daddy. Take that criticism, don't let it beat you down, and just keep on pushing, bro. Like, facts, bro. Like, that's the best. That's my best. What's the word I'm trying to think? I be going blank sometimes. That's my best take for y'all to, yeah, nigga, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm laced. What I was trying to say, what I was trying to say was, just take the constructive criticism and just go on with your day, bro. That's all you can do, bro. But don't give up, because the moment you give up, it's over for you, bro. It's GG's, okay? It's GG's. Don't give up. Keep working on your craft and trying to make something better each time. Or whatever it is, add something else that you didn't add to this craft of yours. And this is the best way I can explain it. I'm gonna rephrase it this way, right? So for content creation, if I'm making a YouTube video, right? I didn't do much edits this video. The next video, I'll add more edits, make it look more crisp. Then the next video, I'll keep doing that, but then I'll add more visualization tools for y'all to see on the next video and stuff, and so on and so forth. Just keep building on it, bro. That's what I'm trying to get at, bro. All right? That's really what I'm trying to get at for y'all, okay? So, at the end of the day, leave the Quan hate alone. He could have done this a lot better. He could have handled the situation a lot better. It could have gone a whole different route. But, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It is what it is, yeah. Let's move on to the next topic of this video, bro. It came to my realization not too long ago that it's all over Twitter and things of that nature. That this nigga Destroy Lonely beat, apparently, allegedly, assaulted his shorty. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this, because I see on Twitter pictures of, you know what I'm saying, her hurt, you know what I'm saying, bleeding, the sheets all bloody and shit. It look, you know what I'm saying, it just look, you know what I'm saying. And the crazy part is, he came up and said that this is all fake. This, not fake, but this is all a lie. He did not assault her. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have another, what What the fuck? My shit just started tweeting out, my bad. We have another Tory Lanez case type shit. Granted, the nigga didn't shoot nobody, but it's still a domestic violence case, okay? I personally fuck with Destroy Lonely a lot. I really do. Like, he been growing on me, did he? For y'all weird ass niggas. He been growing on me OD as of late in the past year or so. And I really fuck with him. I don't want a nigga throwing away his whole career just because of this, bro. You know what I'm saying? I really hope this is not the case. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, we're just gonna have to see how this all unfolds. But I had to bring this up in this video just because it just got brought to my attention that this occurred. So I was like, damn. So I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated on what happens further on, probably in another video regarding Destroy Lonely and this shorty and that whole situation. But hey, man, let me know what y'all think. Do you think this is all fake? Not fake, but do you think she's lying? Do you think he's lying? And how do you think this is gonna end up? Me personally, I feel like this is gonna end up and the nigga gonna be in jail, bro. I feel like, and y'all could say this is sexism or whatever you want to call it, but I feel like in cases like these, they always doubt the man in the situation and they take the whatever the woman says, okay? No matter what. And I'm not trying to say in all cases, you know what I'm saying, the guy is innocent. Well, I'm not trying to say that at all, you feel me? But in a lot of cases, like with the actor that was supposed to play what's his name in the Marvel, what was his name, bro? He was supposed to play a big villain in the Marvel universe, and he lost it because at the end of the day, they found out the girl was lying. You know what I'm saying? But he still got, he still paid the consequences because of her. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pop it on the screen probably later on in this video. But yeah, bro, I can't think of his name right now. But you know, it's just like cases like those. But you know what I'm saying? In that case, it didn't seem like the girl got any type of backlash from it. She just gained. It feels like she gained more than the nigga lost. You know what I'm saying? I really hope the same situation does not happen to Destroy. But let me know in the comments down below who y'all believe, what y'all think the turnout this alleged assault is gonna be. And yeah, man, I know I just been yapping all this video and things of that nature, but I had to bring up the Quan situation. I had to bring up the Destroy Lonely situation. And if there's anything y'all can take from this video that I want y'all to take, the big takeaway is, bro, don't give up on whatever it is you are chasing, man. Like, I'm dead ass. Do not give up on whatever it is you chasing, because the moment you do, that dream of yours is dead for sure. Alright? But yeah, man, on that note, I'm out of here, nigga.
Shut up, bitch.
Baby, I'm too hot, I ain't wanna fuck no one. Bitch, you got some nerve claiming that you know me. Nigga, you got some nerve claiming that I owe you. You ain't know the secret to the drip till I showed you. Hey, I hope Nutter pull up.